Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin.
Alyssa Redondo, representing the Filipino community of California, has achieved a remarkable victory by clinching both the Mutya ng Pilipinas 2024 crown and the Mutya ng Pilipinas Intercontinental title. Her double win at this year's pageant not only highlights her individual excellence but also shine a spotlight on the growing influence of Filipino diaspora. The Mutya ng Pilipinas pageant has a themed competition that celebrates the multifaceted beauty and talent of Filipinas. Recently saw Alyssa Redondo rise above a high competitive field. Her success is in securing both the main title and the Intercontinental crown is a testament to her exceptional preparation, charisma, and dedication. This dual achievement is particularly notable as it demonstrates her ability to excel in various aspects of the pageant, from personal interviews to performance segments. Redondo's journey to the top has been marked by her commitment to showcasing the rich culture and values of Filipino community. Her representation of the Filipino community of California added a unique and diverse perspective to the competition, reflecting the strength and talent of Filipinos residing abroad. Her win is a source of immense pride for her local community and serve as an inspiration to many young Filipinos dreaming of international recognition. The Mutya ng Pilipinas 2024 crown positions Alyssa Redondo as a prominent figure in the pageant world, with opportunities to engage in various philanthropic activities and represent the Philippines on a global stage. The Intercontinental title further expands her platform, offering her the chance to advocate for causes she is passionate about and to build connection across different cultures and nations. Her victory resonates deeply with the Filipino community, celebrating not only her personal success but also the vibrant spirit and achievements of Filipinos around the world. Alyssa Redondo's triumph is a powerful reminder of the potential within the global community or global Filipino diaspora and the impact they can make on the international stage. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!